Hello, how are you doing today? Let us start with a question as always. How do colors affect user experience? Colors are one of the most powerful tools in design because they influence not just how something looks, but how it feels and how users interact with it. In UX, UI design, color is more than decoration. It's a form of communication. The right color palette can set the tone of your entire product. For example, blue often communicates trust, professionalism, and calm, which is why it's heavily used in banking apps, healthcare platforms, and tech companies. Red, on the other hand, grabs attention instantly and can create urgency or excitement, making it ideal for sales banners, notifications, and important call-to-action buttons. Green is often associated with success, growth, and nature, making it perfect for success messages or eco-friendly brands. Beyond emotions, colors guide user behavior. A strategically placed, brightly colored button can subtly draw users toward the action you want them to take. This is known as visual hierarchy, where colors help prioritize what's important on a page. Color also plays a major role in accessibility. Designers use contrast ratios to make sure text is readable for everyone, including those with color blindness or low vision. A good design considers not only how colors look to most people, but also how they translate for those with different visual abilities. Consistency is key. When colors are used systematically across a product, for buttons, links, backgrounds, and highlights, they become part of the brand's identity, making navigation feel intuitive and the brand instantly recognizable. In short, colors have the power to create emotion, build trust, direct attention, and improve usability. They are the silent language of design, and when used thoughtfully, they can transform a simple interface into an engaging, memorable experience. If you have any other topics in mind that you want me to cover, just mention them in the comments. I'll try my best to cover those as we embark on this creative learning journey together. One last thing, you can click the CC button on YouTube video to turn on subtitles or captions to understand better and make notes. Till then, take care and see you in the next video.